Hey everybody, this is Gretchen the Green Lady with your fun fact for Friday. So I went shopping the other day because, it's too cold outside or the ground is still frozen, and I went looking for items that I could use in my garden in warmer days. And I went to the dollar store. Look at all these cute little items that I found. I especially love the animals and the little mailboxes and the mushrooms. Again, all for $1. There were some gnomes, and there's some little fairies, and I love the little houses. I like to put the houses around. I call them mouse houses. And next, I've found these artificial succulents. I have a friend whose front porch is just way too hot for real plants, and so she has completely filled her front door and her area outside with beautiful artificial succulents. What's not to love about these? They look just as real, and of course they'll last and maintain their color. I actually have to replace one in a dish garden that I made that I posted earlier, so I'll use one of the artificial succulents for now because I don't have quite as much time to maintain it. These are all things you can do while it's snowing outside or the ground is still frozen. Look how beautiful those are. Next, I found these great 2 containers on a pitchfork. Some lighthouses that would go great in my nautical area, and some of my favorite finds. Look at this water feature. I found this at a secondhand store for about $20. Oh, I'm so excited. I can put that out in my garden somewhere. I love water features. Beautiful slate, little ceramic pot. And now, of course, to some of my favorites, teapots. I love teapots in my gardens. I find those all the time at secondhand stores, at Goodwill. My little watering cans, I put some beads on it. My little blue light that goes in my blue garden. And of course, little statues. Bird houses. More statues. Little tchotchkes, my little birdhouse that I made and added on the back of something I found at a secondhand store. My little miniatures in my succulent garden. This glass dome that I found, again, at a secondhand store. And of course, there's always natural driftwood and items you can find while it's still cold. This is Gretchen the Green Lady saying don't forget to subscribe, follow, like, and share.